MzeroA Nation, when is the last time you practiced a go-around? What's going on, MzeroA Nation? It's Matthew.
And Sarah.
And today we are talking about the go-around decision.
A go-around is a normal maneuver, and they must be practiced. Many new pilots may consider a go-around as a failed attempt to a landing, but it actually demonstrates excellent decision-making.
When the approach to your runway isn't looking right, or something feels off, go around. When planning an approach to a runway, you should always anticipate the go-around and only land if you're properly configured on speed and you're confident in a safe landing. We're coming into the runway right now. We're probably about 700 feet, and we're going to take it down over the runway, and we're going to practice our go-around maneuver. Take all those words of wisdom we were just talking about configuration and things to look for, and we're going to put them to practice.
So I'm configuring it right now, Matthew. I'm going to full flaps.
Okay.
And we'll shoot for target speed 65.
Sounds good.
It'll look good for now.
Making a short approach. That traffic in sight.
Okay.
62 following them.
And our plan is to...
3 Papa Echo, runway 7,
Okay,
quick touch and go, and after you touch and go, make left traffic.
Minimums.
Right, clear for the
Minimums.
touch and go, runway 7, left traffic, 3 Papa Echo.
And when you're able, squawk VFR.
We'll go.
Okay.
And we're going to
got
5 to win, you can search
VFR.
across it. Across it, I got 5
Okay. A little unstabilized.
Yep, it's a little windy out today, but you're handling it well.
So, trying to make it. Alright, let's see.
One of the things you always got to look for is if you, for whatever reason, if you start feeling uncomfortable with whatever approach you're doing, it's always better to go around early. Unstable approaches always lead to not a great landing. So
Okay, so it looks like we're hitting 300 feet.
This is looking good though right now. You're pretty stable, right on the pappies.
But now we have 4 white.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a good idea to call it out and go around. Alright, so we'll go ahead and call the go around. Alright, so we'll go ahead and call our full power for this plane, and we'll retract 1 notch.
3 Papa Echo going around.
3 Papa Echo, roger, left traffic, you'll be found company on the upwind.
Alright, looking for traffic upwind, 3 Papa Echo.
Perfect, so I got my go around. Let me take the... And we go ahead, and we got EY, and retract second notch flap.
You can feel those flaps coming up too. And now I see that you're doing some trimming as well to help you with the pressure on the yoke, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. Trim, release the pressure. It can be very dangerous when you go apply full power and your trim for nose up.
Yeah.
You could end up in a stall situation. Alright, we got good, and we'll go ahead and retract last notch of flap, and we'll trim the plane.
Perfect.
I got the traffic on the...
I got him in sight.
Sweet. And traffic pattern here, 800, so we got our 800.
Perfect, that was an excellent go around Bishoy.
100 to go to minimums. There's our minimums. Runways in sight, flaps going 100,
Minimums.
autopilot's
Minimums.
disconnected.
3 Mike Papa, go around, right side.
713 Mike Papa's going around.
The sooner you make a go-around decision, the better. Remember to go back to the basics and aviate, navigate, and then communicate. Go-arounds can feel busy, so be sure that you focus on the flying above all else.
Be sure to apply full power smoothly and avoid retracting flaps and gear until you have a positive rate of climb and you are accelerating. Be sure to consult your POH and flight manuals for your aircraft-specific procedures.
Have you practiced a go-around recently?
Share your go-around stories in the comments below. And remember, a good pilot is always learning.